Tired of project tasks getting lost in the shuffle? Let's tame that chaos and bring order to your projects by mastering task creation in Basecamp. First, navigate to the specific project where you want to add a task. Click on the project's name to open it. Once you're inside the project, look for the Add a To-Do button. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on it to start creating your task. Now, let's define the task in the To-Do title field. Write a clear and concise description of what needs to be done. The more specific you are, the better. Next, assign the task to the appropriate team member. Using the Assign to drop-down menu, choose the person responsible for completing this task. Set a realistic due date by clicking on the due date field. Select a date from the calendar to ensure the task is completed on time. Need to add more details? Use the Add Comment field to include any specific instructions, context, or relevant information about the task. You can also attach relevant files directly to the task. Click on the Attach Files option to upload documents, images, or any other necessary resources. As your team member works on the task, they can update their progress, add comments, and keep everything centralized within Basecamp. This keeps everyone informed and accountable. Regularly updating and managing your tasks in Basecamp helps keep your project organized, improves team accountability, and ultimately drives project success. Now go forth and conquer your projects.